They say some legends are meant to be forgotten, buried under decades of dust and decay. Look at her, a masterpiece, hidden under a mountain of rust. Most people walked away. They saw a lost cause. But we saw a soul that was worth saving. The journey wasn't easy. It took months of blood, sweat, and absolute precision. Every single bolt, every tiny gear had to be brought back to life, piece by piece, in our workshop. You see, we didn't just fix this car, we engineered it back to perfection. No shortcuts, no excuses, just pure, raw craftsmanship. If you can feel the heart beating back in this machine, then you belong here with us. Hit that subscribe button and join a family that never gives up on a classic. Now, look at the transformation. From the hand-stitched leather to that deep, mirror-finished black. Can you hear it? She's finally breathing again. The king is back on the road, from total rust to absolute royalty. This is the Mercedes Benz 300SL. The journey never ends. Subscribe and stay tuned for the next legend we bring back to life.